Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube episode number 155, Tussar thread work. Lovely variety of various type of thread work will be shown today in the fabric Tussar. Product number 1, Tussar Kashmiri. I had shown this embroidery. This is machine Kashmiri, of course. I had shown this in organza also, and I had got many bookings for this, so thought of making it in Tussar. So this is 9,950 rupees pure Tussar with embroidery, paisley traditional embroidery throughout the border and booties all over. It's a lovely shade of wine color, dark magenta you can say, with both side paisley Kashmiri border with buta all over work till the end and running blouse piece. It has a beige color cord piping to give it a neat finish. This is the blouse piece with the cord piping. Very elegant looking. You can make a boat neck sleeveless blouse or a halter neck blouse also, since it's the same color running blouse. It's best to wear it with a sari blouse. It will give a very different look, or else you can wear a beige color blouse with this also. See the pallu part, lovely work. Another color I have, this is in black color. Same price, only the color changes. Lovely Kashmiri work in black. Kashmiri works really stands out in black. All pure Tussar. All the quality, pure Desi Tussar. 9,950 rupees. Intricacy of the work, see the embroidery and all over buta. Very elegant, but at the same time very gorgeous. With this again you can make the sari blouse, or at all if you want to do it contrast, go for a not too contrast, go for a little subtle one, because the work is very heavy work. So to highlight the work, it's best to wear it with the same blouse. Now a lovely concept. This is a digital printed Tussar. We've done digital printing with pitai zari work. Now I'll show you very closely the embroidery. This is pitai zari ari work with sequins. The border is hand work, blanket stitch, edging is totally hand work, and all the paisley is done in zari, ari zari. 14,800 rupees, 14,800 throughout the border. The body will have full work. It's in a lovely shade of peach shade. It's basically, it will have a lovely shine because it is gold zari embroidery with blouse piece. The blouse piece is also of zari work, the border and the back. Very smart sari. Actually these are very classy, fashionable sari. Now I'll show you the pallu, you can understand. Those who don't want too much shine, too much brighty, too much gaudy type, but at the same time it should be very elegant and classy, for them this is the sari. 14,800. See the work in the pallu. Similarly, I'll show you now. Here you can understand the work. Single piece, no repeats. Concept saris. All these work will be with gold ari outline. Again nice greyish green, pista greyish color throughout with blouse piece. Jacket style full work blouse piece in zari, and here is the sari. Turquoise, one side border, cross stitch machine work with all over antique sequins, hand attached. Even the border is hand work, very sleek smart border. Upper part I've just kept it plain, wear your jewelry. The lower part I've highlighted, 13,500. See the work. It's a lovely shade of peacock blue color, deep turquoise you can say, Rama color you can say more or less. It's a beautiful shade with blouse piece. Here is the sari. I've got a red in this also, number 6. $13,900. Throughout work, lower palla, lower border, blouse piece with sequins and outline border, both the sleeves, and here is the lovely shade of red, not loud, deep red, beautiful shade. This goes very well with all skin, Indian skin complexion, this red. Cross stitch with sequins all over. Very cute sari with butterflies all over in thread work. Mustard yellow, jute woven, zari woven pallu, 8990. Zari border. I've kept it very simple. No border, no thread work border, just to highlight all the Hazar Titliya in the body, with blouse piece. It will have the jute woven blouse piece. It's part of the sari itself, and here is the lightweight, cute little sari, and this is another color in natural color, similar type with all over lovely butterflies. Natural color, thread work. Throughout. And blouse piece. Now coming to something very classy and elegant with all over Ari mirror work, hand work edging, and then the work is machine work. This is 13,900 rupees for this. 13,900. It's a charcoal black color. With all over mirror work in the body. Again, the edging is hand work and it will have a very fashionable thread work blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for this, full thread work. And closely once again the mirror work in body. Self mirror work, these are mica, these are not mirrors, tiny micas just to give it a lovely gorgeous look. I got another color, that one was charcoal black and this is blue, navy blue. So you can say royalish navy blue, not very dark. It's an in between royal blue and navy blue, 13,900. Again with mirror works, with hand edging, all over embroidery in the border, floral. This too will have a similar gorgeous rich woven blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. So this blouse will have a multiple use actually. There's so much of work. You can wear a cap sleeves blouse with that. Just a or Magia sleeves blouse will also look very smart. Number 10. Kashmiri magenta all over. Machine Kashmiri in magenta. All over zari border tussar. Achol with zari border. 11,900. So much of work, but you can see it's absolutely lightweight. Paisley traditional Kashmiri embroidery. We love these look so rich. Little different when you go to any formal wear, formal occasion. This is the blouse piece for this. See the work. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Both are very close by, but the stock is slightly different from each other. Sanskriti is a 26-year-old label, and we are, in the fashion industry, as I said, for the past 26 years, and it's in Ballygunge, Kolkata. Myself, Lalia Dattagupta, and we mainly deal with embroidery, hand embroidery also, katha, weaves of India, traditional weaves of different states of India. And we try, our USP is mainly to keep the overall comfortness and affordability, and we try our best to maintain the finish. The overall end product should be perfectly, and it should be the whole look is very important of every sari. The overall look is very important, and we have karigars, weavers throughout India, and we are shipping worldwide. In Kolkata, cash on delivery only possible. Outside Kolkata via courier, international shipping is done regularly. It depends on the weight and destination. The more you buy, the less you pay. And cash on delivery, as I said, it's only in Kolkata with an additional charge. This is 10,900, turquoise blue, all over Kashmiri again. The work is different from the magenta one, all over Kashmiri with zari woven border. And here is the blouse piece in gold zari stripe woven. Another color in all over Kashmiri, product number 13. All the prices are mentioned in the description part so that it will be easy for you to decide. The colors, available colors, I'm all showing so that you can give me few options and choices. To get the product, you have to WhatsApp to any one of the numbers 76030426696 and the other one is 98311, I think. The other number, any one of the number kindly message. Once you get the availability of the product, I confirm you the product. After that, I'll give you the business account bank details. The business account bank details, once the payment is done, we'll courier it to you in 3 days. And this is the whole body. Red. All over embroidery with self chicken machine work in the border. Pinkish lavender, it's actually a beautiful shade of neither pink nor lavender in between, lovely pretty shade. 9500, see the self work in the border and little different work in the all over body jal. Running blouse piece. Achol. Achol will have a lot of more work in chicken work and then the thread work. Another color 15. Light blue. Yeah. Very pretty colors, sober combinations, uncommon concepts and new designs in every episode. So kindly like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications. We have the Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata where you can check out our still pictures of this, our next preview of the next episode, and also whatever new more uploads are done in the albums. So please do check out the albums. This is also 9500 in olive, light olive, lovely color combination with pink flowers, pink and peach flowers throughout, self embroidery in the border chicken, and then the body will have the throughout work. This is again the blouse piece for this running, and here is the sari. All over embroidery, full work. Another very different concept. We love flowers, we women love flowers, and when we are draping these flower designs in our body, it feels really refreshing and very soothing also. So we've done in a pure tussar these digital floral prints, very cute floral prints in digital print throughout the body, and then see white thread work on virgin tussar color with zari and crochet. 11,800 throughout body and also in throughout the border and also in the buta. Body will also have, see the color contrast, natural color, tussar color with white. So the embroidery is standing out but in a very subtle way. These are actually very fashionable buns. You might say that it's a 11,800 sari but not bright. But actually these are, I can't explain what kind of, class these are. Actually these are very different, and it depends on the quality and your, very uncommon. See the pleats, Big florals in the pleats. On wearing these will really looks very, very smart. Exclusive sari. Now a lovely shade of peach color with a broad zari bordered in the pallu and border. Broad zari border in tussar, all over jal work. And then the pleats. Very heavy quality, well polished tussar. This is the blouse piece with jute weave. See the color. Number 19, tussar with silver zari embroidery along with resham thread embroidery. So the body will have thread work, the outline will have the border outline, I mean to say the outline and the border. All these motifs outline will have a very narrow, sleek silver zari outline along with zari border embroidery. 10,300. So here is the zari border, thread work. The body will have silk thread work along with zari outline against the motif, floral motif. So this is a lavender shade. No, I think I've explained it to you well. In case you can't see it properly, I try my best to explain all the details of the product. It will have a running blouse in lavender. Another nice shade of a deeper pink. Here is the actual look. Yeah. Zari border, but that was silver zari because it was in lavender. This is pinkish, this is silverish light gold color. So the zari I've used, whatever will go with the color actually. In this one the silver will look very nice, but lavender and silver goes very well. See the work. Again this too will have a same color running blouse with just the piping because the body has so much of work. The blouses I've kept it plain with the piping. Now this is another very fashionable sari with all over small buttas, no border, only piping border, just use a simple piping border, but Kashmiri embroidery pallu. 8,500, range is reasonable, pure tussar with thread work and contrast blouse. So just coffee color. See the concept. Sometimes you need to wear little fashionable sari in small gatherings also. And it will have just a simple plain contrast black tussar blouse matching with the piping. Now the colors for this, 8,500 with contrast blouse piece. Here is the bottle green color with Kashmiri work, all over butta with Kashmiri thread work, jal embroidery, paisley pallu. Body will have all over butta. Again similar to the piping, the blouse piece will be in contrast reddish maroon. Magenta. magenta, pallu work, body, close buttas all over, here soft tussar, and again with a contrast dark navy blue blouse piece matching with the piping. Worli border embroidery with shaded tussar. Magenta purple dyed border with golpo embroidery border. Folk work done in the border. See the sleek 2-line of folk embroidery, folk motif embroidery, 11,800. Please take the screenshot of the product. There's a Facebook link also. You can check out our Facebook link for more options, regular notifications, and WhatsApp to any one of the number. And once you make the payment, when you give me the your address, please give it in one format: name, address, pin code, and your telephone number, full telephone number, full name. This is a beautiful Worli embroidered blouse piece with this. No orders, single piece. Another pretty combination, number 25. Snuff black color combination. Extremely elegant. 11,800 border work in shaded black silk thread work. Here comes the, you can see the dye from here. Good quality, heavy quality tussar and DSN. What a lovely blouse that would be. Once you make this blouse, you know, you can wear it with this is the opposite. See, the work is so neat, you can't figure out which is the right and the wrong. This is the right side and this is the blouse piece for this. See the concept. Don't waste the fabric. Wear a nice jacket blouse with this. Another very different concept with chicken work and crochet with floral digital tussar print. What a beautiful color combination too. This is digital printed floral tussar, printed tussar with chicken work. Tussar color with off-white thread work, crochet border, little touch of zari, and I love this embroidery. The neat, see, this is the back side, this is the front side, this is the pallu part, 12,500. Extremely fashionable. And I'll show you the lovely blouse with this. It will have a nice natural virgin color tussar with chicken buttas, chota embroidery, floral embroidery, and here is the sari. Kesar color. Both the colors are very cute. Pastels. Same price, 12,500. Pure tussar, heavy quality with digital printing. You can see the number of processes that is involved in this. Somebody does the digital printing, then somebody does the embroidery, then somebody does the crochet attaching, and then polishing, finishing, everything. I mean, the whole process is a very, very lengthy process. The last one, Ari Kashmiri in Desi Tussar. See the work, the back part. This is just like the Kashmiri shawls or the cushion covers that we see. Similar work, 12,900 with sleek narrow crochet outline used. Lovely motif. The border work is so neat and so traditional that I've done nothing in the body to give it a very classy look after wearing. Yes, of course, wear it with the same sari blouse because it will have border in the sleeves. Here. It's just border pallu concept sari, so no need to wear a contrast blouse unless you want to make it very, very bright. Otherwise, it's a very interesting, uncommon sari. This is the. Yes, Sundays we are open till the Durga Puja, then we'll remain closed. Few days before the pujas, during the puja we will be closed. 4 days, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami, we will remain closed. So this is the achol part. Now the mannequin, Ari Kashmiri in maroon color, all over work. See the embroidery with little sequins throughout, hand work. In the sequins are attached in hand, and this is fully lovely shade in dark maroon and floral with piping. This is 11,900. My dear doll is wearing a sari worth 11,900 in tussar, fully embroidery sari. It's a beautiful shade, and these kind of Banarasi blouse pieces are also available in the store with zari weave. These are also available in the branches. And the one that I am wearing, a Leheria tussar zigzag with buta all over, Firoza color, only one shade with see embroidery, very pretty thread work, bird and flowers are very neat. It seems as if it is French knot. You can see from the embroidery, though it's machine work, it seems as if it's hand work. It's totally French knot concept design. It will have this lovely blouse piece with this in Firoza, and the price of this is 12,900. This is the blouse piece, 12,900 for this bird thread work sari, only single color. And the neck piece that I am wearing is 2350. It will the mala with this sky and jade color earring, and the mala is 2350. The set, the whole set is 2350. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Namaskar, bhalo thakben shobai.